and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with the instant noodles. And today we got this. Look at that. You know what this is called? Look at all that text. Holy crap. This is... what is it? Zhoujunji... Leishi, Chong, Qing, Gan, Lu, Xiao, Mian. So it's a dry noodle, it's a chow mein, you know. And it's from China. And look, 3 minutes. So, yeah, as you know, you are way in the future. It's 4 days away from our action day, and yeah, we voted. We did early voting like the day after we got our ballots, so yeah, which is fun. I like to vote. I do it often as I can. Who knows what's going on in your universe? I hope it's all okay. I really do. There's been enough drama by elderly folks with dementia. I mean, it's ego tripping, power hungry bull. So yeah, hopefully you're in a good place. Hopefully there isn't a new pandemic or any kind of ennui affecting the people of the globe. But for me, it's Friday. It's the day after Halloween. And we went out last night. The kids amassed over 8 pounds. Oh, don't do that. Over 8 pounds of candy, which is, I think, formidable. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening here? Come on. It's a lot of candy, folks. And this morning, before they got on the bus for school, I look over and they're about to each eat an enormous pixie stick. I'm like, no. You're not gonna be cracked out before you go to school. Forget it. Yeah. But it dumped rain. I live just north of Seattle, so it's kind of famous for rain, but it rained, it poured, it did that whole shuck and jive, and we were out for at least 2.5 hours, maybe a little longer, going door to door, asking for candy. And my daughter, she dressed up as Jojo Siwa, I really don't know what she is. I don't know. But I guess she's a singer. My son, Miles, he dressed up as a firefighter. And my wife and I, we had costumes from last year. She was a packet of dipping sauce. And I was a chicken nugget. See, I dipped my nugget in her sauce. See? I know. It's funny. It's a funny thing. So, anyways... yeah, we got soaked. So, and about halfway through it, the kids were like, my bag's getting heavy. I'm like, the quota's 10 pounds. Anything over that is what you get. They're like, what? I'm like, no, you can have all your candy. Don't worry about it. We'll just sneak some. But it was fun. They had a good time. It was funny. My son was like, I'm getting tired. I want to be done. I just want to be done. And I'm like, okay, we can skip this house. No. We shouldn't skip that house. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. This one's weird. So it's like there. Maybe a little more. It says save some of the soup, and it's basically just they're saying make it up and save some liquid. So that's what I've done. Okay, let's put this together. Comes with a bunch of sachets for those who are keen on sachets. Ah! Get out of there. Here's our peanuts. We've got, I don't know if this is pickled, but it's mustard. Here's the mustard. Moutarde. What happy music. It's Friday, happy music day. Well, my phone's beeping. Must be another political text message. I get a lot of those right now, boy. I mean, a lot. I like send a message to my wife, and an hour later, it's buried. It's like so many text messages. I've gotten some pretty crazed ones too, and I get a lot of political emails. I got one for a Trump MAGA gun you could buy, and it was like for patriots only. And get the commemorative Trump MAGA AR-15. And I was thinking, like, that doesn't, I don't know, does the dude even know they're making those? Because I think on both assassination attempts, people had AR-15s. So I could see some crazy loon going like, hey, it's got his name on it. Perfect, you know? I don't know. Meanwhile, they're saying the Democrats need to tone down the rhetoric. On the other hand, last night at a rally, he said that something about what's her name? Liz Cheney should be fired upon, like in some kind of violent act. So it's like freaking weird people. I don't know. I definitely don't want to drink a beer with any of these people. Whoops. I mean, I don't really drink beer anymore. But, my kind of rubric for voting, at least for a presidential candidate, down ballot, not so much. I mean, I don't think, you know, but for president, my rubric is as follows. Would I let, which of the two options would I let watch my kids for an hour? I think that's valid. I mean, your president of your country should at least be able to, like, you should have the feeling like, yeah, I'd let them babysit them. If something happened, they could handle a little emergency. I think Trump would neglect my children. Or at least go, so what do you think about me? Do you like me? Am I great? Trying to make them, like, I don't know though. He's got a lot of kids. He might not be out of the limelight, he might be a completely different person. I think that's very possible. But it's very possible that it's not, and he's just a horrible person all around. Anyways, oh, I should taste this before I plate it. Let's do that. Because I'm freaking starving. I haven't had anything to eat today. So I will try this. I hope it meets my flavor needs. I'm actually doing a mukbang for the next one, so there we go. Yeah. Noodle's all right. Wow. Quite a bit of Szechuan peppercorn. Oil, I'm guessing. Okay, don't rotate. It's kind of monotone. I don't know. It's got that. It can be a contender. It seems like they're a little saltier. And I always feel weird saying this instant product needs more salt because, of course, they're very laden with sodium, but this would be one of those. I need more savor. But it's not too bad. Rinse this thing out before it congeals. Go. Get the water boiling for the next review. Voila. I like the mustard in this. I like the mustard. I like the peanut. I always find the addition of peanut for these style varieties, it's very welcome and it's very nice. Welcome. Nice. And you can't go wrong by adding a nice dark yolk fried egg in there. We're gonna add some seed from the sesame. Have you ever seen where sesame seeds come from? I don't know that I have, and I'm guessing it's just like some plant and it goes to seed, and there's just like tons of these seeds everywhere. I think a nice accompaniment would be a little chili crisp. I'm gonna do that. I am swimming in frickin' chili. I do have another bottle of hot sauce. There it is. Oh, sweet. Hold on. Wow, I'm like absolutely stoked. I found a bottle of hot sauce and I was like, I swore we got 2 last time we were at the store. I think for this one, we want the, yeah, this is a sambal chili crunch from Indonesia by Homia. You can find them on Amazon. But this one is not the shrimp like the Haibi Hyam. No, sir. This is the seaweed one. It's a little bit sweet. Nice and crisp. And it's good. I really like that one quite a bit. But yeah, here. Let's get you over here, light. Or it doesn't help. Alright, Rotato. Do your thing. like this song. It's a Good Friday song. Anyway, this is, the next one you're gonna see is this, and there will be a mukbang along with it. This is Asha with their Hot Ones garlic chili, and this is the medium spicy one in their range of Hot Ones products. I'm excited. I like garlic. I like chili. I like the Hot Ones show. So, yeah. With that, enjoy your 2025, should it occur. And I hope I don't know. You get 6 more weeks of winter? I don't know. I guess you could look it up. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.